You're not ready for what Samsung's cooking up next: foldables, smartwatches, and maybe even a trifold that could break the internet. No more leaks. This is the storm before the impact event, and it's getting wild. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech drops like this right when they break. So here's the deal. July's shaping up to be Samsung's biggest month yet. We're not just getting upgrades, we're getting new categories. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Yup, a cheaper foldable that looks almost identical to the flagship but undercuts the price. You're getting 128GB or 256GB in color options that are bold yet familiar, white and black. But here 7 skips 128GB entirely. It goes straight to 256GB and 512GB. Why? To make the Fan Edition actually worth your attention. And the colors. Oh man, coral red is back, something we didn't get in the Z Flip 6. Combine that with deep blacks and a sharp blue, and Samsung's clearly leaning into style with specs. The Fold 7 gets its own makeover too, not dramatic but refined. Expect a sleek new blue shadow replacing last year's navy and setting a cooler tone, literally. But if you think that's it, hold on. There are whispers of something wild: a triple folding phone that unfolds like origami tech magic. Is it real? Samsung's silent, which makes it more real than ever. Now, on the smartwatch front, let's talk Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung's not just redesigning, they're rethinking the whole vibe. All models, even the base Watch 8, are joining the squircle trend, a mashup of square and circle. Think soft edges, sharper lines, and bold presence on your wrist. The Watch 8 Classic isn't staying quiet either. It's bringing back the rotating bezel. Yes, it's officially returning. And this time it looks chunkier, sportier, and more premium than ever. Black and silver finishes, a brand new button layout, and maybe even a 64GB internal storage bump. If the early eBay leak is anything to go by, this thing's real and ready. There's also a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 lurking in the shadows. Blue color, rug design, massive battery. It's basically shouting, "Take me on an adventure," even before you turn it on. Another thing people aren't talking about: a possible adaptive charging system. Your watch could soon pause charging at 80% overnight and then top it off before you wake up, just like Galaxy phones do. That's battery health smartness on autopilot. Internally, Donexung might stick with the Exynos W20 or bump to the newer W1000 chip. RAM stays at 2GB, display at 1.5 inches, and likely 509 mAh battery on the Classic. No 1TB option for the foldables though, so that dream's still parked. Now back to the foldables. The Z Fold 7 could be getting slimmer. Rumors say Samsung has found ways to trim the hinge mechanism. Less bulk, more pocketable. There's also chatter about improved water resistance, better screen durability, and faster app continuity between outer and inner displays. And let's not ignore software. One UI Watch 8 and One UI 7 for phones will be the bridge connecting all these devices. Better syncing, smoother transitions between Galaxy Buds, watches, and foldables. Basically, your whole ecosystem will feel like one big, clever machine that knows what you want before you tap anything. But here's the real kicker. Samsung may not even show everything during Unpacked. The Trifold and the Ultra Watch might be held back for a separate launch, just to stretch the hype. So what should you expect in July? At least 3 foldables: Flip 7, Flip 7 FE, Fold 7, 2 watches, Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic, a possible trifold surprise, and maybe, just maybe, a rugged Watch Ultra 2 that's unlike anything we've seen before. And yes, Samsung is finally starting to differentiate fan editions properly. These aren't just cheaper versions anymore. They're purpose-built for people who want most of the flagship experience without the premium price tag. So now you've got decisions to make. Are you going classic or squircle, fold or flip, or holding out for the mystery foldable that may or may not exist? I'll be tracking every update, every leak, every announcement, so stay locked in. Like the video, drop a comment on what you're most excited about, and subscribe for a front row seat to Samsung's next wave. Because July's not just unpacked, it's unreal.